On our next video, we take on the job of changing the transmission fluid and filters. So stay tuned for Noel's Blessed Adventures maintenance style.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
All right, we are going to be moving on to the transmission. And trying to get the boats figured out here. Wow, that's not 9/16 either.
Bigger?
It's millimeters, probably 14, try a 14 millimeter. Wow, 15. 15. Next. And what's weird, the drain plug is the smaller drive. What's the smaller? Was it 3/8? That's it, 15. Because this is not the size for the plug either. Well, yeah, it is. All right, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. That, yeah, but I'm saying this is the right size. So here, I'll take that extension just for convenience. There's not one in there. Oh, I got it. It is the. Well, first it didn't look like it was the right. Hand me a screwdriver. A screwdriver. I got one set of bolts out. He said there's a recess. There is a little recess right here. There's a little recess right here. There we go. We got some juice. We got some juice. What we need is a little place to sit this. Let's see. Got one filter out. Letting it drain. I'll take this one. Sit it over here to the side. That's not hardly anything. That over. Trying to keep it hand semi-level. And we'll move over here. Do the same thing one more time. Bit. I left the most is going to come out this side. It's out. It's out. I'm telling you, this thing, I mean, it's not that much coming out. It's not that much coming out. It's not as much as you would think. Like I said, it drains a long time and slow. Well, look at those filters. Did they look like the factory ones? Yep, they look like the factory ones. Installed. This is 125. Yeah, 12510. Factory installed. Never. So these are the factory installed. Oh, nice, clean. It's all on the all the gasket pretty much is all right there. Yeah, I can hit it with my fingernails a little bit maybe. Yeah. Yeah, like I can scrape just a hair of a little bit of stuff, but other than that, it actually. Yeah, I'm doing it with my fingernail. Much as. Oh yeah, that you had that one that didn't have hardly any in it, did you? Oh, nothing. Nothing really. They're just dripping. Alright, we got most of it drained out. We're going to let the rest of it drain out. We're going to go get a filter wrench for the duskin filter, and we'll let this drain. We'll get back with you when we're putting everything back together. It's all cleaned up here. Going to put the oil plug back in, and then it'll be time to slide those filters back in. We'll get those filters back in. We'll button it all up, and then we will be ready to add some fluid. Filter number 1's going up in here. There we go. It's like a puzzle. You have to get it lined up correctly. It's like a puzzle. And then I know there's a order for which way you're supposed to tighten these two. I think it just cross tighten. Alright, got that first one in. I am ready for the second one, sir. I'm ready for the second one if it's ready. Second filter. Oh, I didn't know it was right there. Is that pushed all the way down?
It wants to pop up at 6 feet and it needs to be better.
Alright.
And here's the torch wrench.
Okay, thank you.
I said a little prayer that it wouldn't have a good battery. But I'm not going to.
Alright, so. Nothing, I'm just moving cardboard around a little bit. Because I gotta lay my head back here, and I didn't want to lay my head in any fluid. So, all right. So, get these tightened up and tight. So we got the torque wrench, and we're getting these torqued down to 40 foot-pounds. Almost done. All right, you want to set this at 20? Thank you, sir. All right. 20 foot-pounds torque there, 40 foot-pounds torque there. We are done. Now it's time to put some oil in. This is 4.
You got it for us, Barry.
Oh, no, I can't.
So
He won't
we
let
already put in 3 gallons. Then the professor got a little nerved up and spilled some on my shoe. He thought I was going to get nerved up, but he got a little nerved up.
Okay, go. Don't go too fast. It's already starting to come out. I'm gonna have to pack this
Oh,
apart.
I can tell this is the old one, because it doesn't come off as well.
All right, this should be number 5, right?
Yep.
Should be number 5.
Hang on, let me get another rag.
Yeah.
Well, he knows he needs at least that. That's how much we took out.
This flex thing here does come in handy.
You know, at home I got everything under the sun. I got them cut all different lengths and sizes. And sometimes you need a stubby.
I may have to get a little flex one like this. This might be the ticket for this.
Those you can find.
All right.
So that's 5.
That's 5.
I'm missing
Okay.
the top, though. Where's my other top?
Turn the video. Here, I'll just give it to me. I'll put it right in this rag. There you go. And then
5 jugs.
here's a garbage bag for the one up there.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. There, oh, 5.
Put that garbage
Got you had to take your shoes
I
off.
thought I was going to take my shoes off to get that one. All right.
Garrity.
Looks like the majority of it went in the hole there. All right.
Make sure you wipe that out before you stick it in there.
It's all. Yep,
I'll
it's
wipe
clean.
Yeah, I already did.
I wouldn't bother pulling it out. That's just a waste of time. There's nothing.
I just like to waste time.
Well, there's nothing. Won't tell you nothing because there's nothing.
It'll tell us that it's got some fluid in there. Won't tell us the correct thing. Okay. It's showing that there's fluid in there. Yep, we're good. Alright. It's another one in the books. Alright. There is a method to check your transmission level from the gauges inside your coach.
So shift.
There's a couple buttons you have to push, and it will read out and tell you whether your level's okay or if your fluid is low or high. Got to do a little research on that. The professors gave me a paper how to do it. Engine's got to be warm, and then the transmission has to be at a certain temperature. If we get a chance, and we get a chance to get that on video, we'll add it to the end of this. Thanks for watching.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Due to the coronavirus, we were still sheltered in place at the time we posted this video. So what you do to check your levels is push down on the 2 arrows on your console, and it will come up and tell you oil level low or oil level okay. If it says oil level low, it'll say 1 or 2 to let you know what quarts. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video series on the maintenance. Share it with your friends. Also push that notification bell
so that you can be notified when we post a new video. Thanks for being with Noah's Blessed Adventures, and thanks for following along.